Everything you need to know about Shopify POS. You know, the importance of a reliable point of sale system if you have a physical shop. A point of sale system can be used to manage customers, process sales, track inventory, and make payments. In the past, POS systems could be complicated and costly. Today, POS systems are simple and affordable. Continue listening to find out everything you need about Shopify POS. How does Shopify Point of Sale work? Shopify Point of Sale is an iPad app you can use for managing your store. It is easy to set up and use and very affordable. Shopify POS allows you to process sales, track inventory, and add customers. All of your data can be accessed from anywhere, as it is stored in the cloud. To schedule a demonstration, click the link below. Shopify Point of Sale is available for all Shopify plans. Shopify can be used on an iPad connected to your network or from your smartphone on the go. Shopify POS is right for your business. Small businesses who need an easy-to-use and affordable POS system can choose Shopify Point of Sales. Because it seamlessly integrates with your Shopify account, Shopify Point of Sale is a great option for small businesses. Shopify Point of Sale is not the best fit for large businesses. It doesn't have the same features as other POS systems. Shopify Point of Sale is worth looking at if your business is just starting out, or small to medium size. Shopify POS is a great choice for small businesses looking for an easy-to-use and affordable point of sale system because it seamlessly integrates with your Shopify account. Shopify POS is a great choice for existing Shopify customers. Shopify Point of Sale is a great option if you are looking for a new POS platform. To get all your questions answered, click the link below.